Many packages are made out of plastic, but it can't be reused or recycled. Paper's good, but it isn't waterproof. And traditional spray coating is very wasteful. It's expensive and slow. We've created PowerDrop. It's a large-scale industrial inkjet technology. Every drop lands just where it's meant to, a complete waterproof coating without waste. We recognised that there was a big job going from concept to product to business. And that's where Richard and Innovate UK Business Growth came in.
I started working with Archipelago when they were fairly early stage, and a large part of the work I did with them was to help them build a growth strategy, developing their IP and making sure they've got a robust intellectual property in place, and helping them create a clear funding strategy.
A good plan meant that we were investable.
So we started off training Guy up on how to become investor ready and talk and communicate with investors, and they successfully won an investor partnership.
We got a £600,000 grant that was linked to an investment of £900,000 from the Low Carbon Fund along with other investors. That's a total of £1.5 million. It secured 5 jobs, it enabled us to create another 6, and we'll be growing the team.
So Guy is building a fantastic team, diverse, very talented. He's very much about giving back to the next generation. And that's a generation of engineers that are going to go out and solve future problems.
Innovate UK has given us real financial support. We got a knowledge transfer partnership
to help them build a licensing model and successfully license the technology out.
Innovate UK have helped us go global.
And through Global Explorers funding, we've helped them carry out market research to understand where their sweet spots are.
Richard's deeply committed to Archipelago being a success.
Guy and the team are a great bunch of people. They're very receptive, very keen to grow.
So he's teaching me particular tools for ensuring we stay on target.
The global challenge of what we do with plastic waste and plastic packaging is something that Archipelago are solving.
So Richard and Innovate UK have worked with us from being a small ideas business to being a real engineering company.
You know, it really is quite inspiring to work with someone like Guy and the Archipelago team. It's really great to be part of their journey.
And together, that's transformed the way Archipelago works and delivers to its customers.